All right, for this lesson, you are going to be comparing and contrasting those first two texts you read, the conflict over the Constitution and passing an amendment. Reminder that here is the link to go back and take another look at those stories if you need to, if you don't remember what they were about. Here is your document. I know these texts are hard, so you can keep it simple, okay? If you want to get deep, like in depth about it, that's fine. But if you want to say they both are talking about the Constitution, okay? Because the conflict over the Constitution is they were arguing over when they were first writing it. Passing an amendment is like if we want to change it. Okay, so they both deal with America's government. Okay, passing an amendment. They wanted to change the they were looking, or how can you amend or change the Constitution? You could give me some examples of amendments. I forget if they list any in the article. Conflict over the Constitution took place more in the 1700s when they were first writing it. This was after that. I mean, some of them were in the 1700s, but even later than that, there have been amendments that have been passed. So it can be basic, I guess is what I'm trying to say, because I know that articles are hard. So anything you can tell me that's the same or different, great. Please do put one on every spot. The way I grade it is I give you a point for every correct one. And then if your answer is like, if you word it well, if you explain it well, I give you up to 2 more points for a total of 10. So if you're ever wondering where I get the numbers on this one, that is it. Okay? So good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm not doing a code word for this one since it is a should do, not a must do. So just so you know why I'm not telling you that. Good luck.